Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the classification of mammals. I am Dr. P. Rosina George, Assistant Professor in Zoology, working in St. Joseph College for Women, Autonomous, Visakhapatnam. So we are going to discuss about the learning outcomes, introduction, classification overview, monotremes, what are marsupials, who are placentals, orders of mammals, summary of classification, importance of mammalian classification, some questions based on the present topic, and conclusion. The learning outcomes for this topic is you will be able to explain the fundamental characteristics that define mammals. You can differentiate between the three subclasses of mammals, that is monotremes, marsupials, and placentals. You can identify examples and key traits of various mammalian orders and understand the evolutionary significance and ecological roles of mammals. You will be able to appreciate the importance of mammalian classification in biodiversity and conservation efforts. So mammals are a class of warm-blooded vertebrates within the phylum Chordata. And the distinctive characteristic features of mammals are there is presence of mammary glands for nourishing young ones. Hair or fur is present on the body, which varies in density and distribution. These are endothermic animals, which enables them to survive in diverse climates. And there is advanced brain development, particularly the neocortex region. And a four-chambered heart is present for efficient circulation. Mammals exhibit immense diversity and they are adapted to life on land, in water, and in the air. Mammals are categorized into three subclasses based on their reproductive methods. Monotremes are the egg-laying mammals. Marsupials, which are also called as pouched mammals. And placentals, these are the mammals with a developed placenta for nourishing embryos. Under subclass monotremes, different examples are platypus, echidna, etc. The characteristic features of monotremes are they lay leathery eggs, which is a primitive trait among mammals. They lack nipples, but milk is secreted through pores on the skin and lapped by the young ones. They are found exclusively in Australia and New Guinea. And the unique adaptive features are electroreception is seen in platypus, which enables them to detect prey in murky waters, and spiny body is present in echidnas for defense. The examples of marsupials are kangaroos, koalas, opossums, etc. The characteristic features of marsupials are they give birth to underdeveloped young ones. The young ones complete their development inside the marsupial-like structure, which is called as a pouch, which contains mammary glands. They are found predominantly in Australia and neighboring regions, with a few species in the Americas. The unique adaptive features are they possess specialized pouches for nursing and protecting offspring. They have strong hind limbs in species like kangaroos for jumping, locomotion, etc. The most diverse and widespread subclass of mammals are placentals. The embryos are developed inside the mother's uterus and then are nourished via a complex structure called placenta. Placentals have longer gestation periods, which allows for advanced development at birth. The unique adaptive features are they are present in varied ecological niches from aquatic to terrestrial to aerial habitats. They show complex behaviors and social structures are seen in species like primates and cetaceans. Some examples of placentals are elephants, whales, dogs, bats, humans, etc. The key orders of mammals are primates, who have opposable thumbs, binocular vision, large brains are present. Examples are humans, monkeys, apes. Carnivorans, who are adapted for meat consumption. They have sharp teeth and claws. Examples like lions, bears, dogs, etc. Cetaceans, who are fully aquatic, streamlined bodied animals. An echolocation is present in some of the species. Some examples are whales, dolphins, etc. Rodentia. The characteristic features are continuously growing incisors are present for gnawing, like rats, squirrels, etc. Chiropterans are the mammals who are capable of true flight and they use echolocation also. Examples are bats. In order Proboscidea, examples are elephants, and these are the animals who have large body size and they have trunks for grasping and feeding, and tusks are present for defense. In order Artiodactyla, examples are deer, cattle, camels, etc. And these are the animals, or we can call them as ungulates, who are even-toed ungulates with specialized digestive systems for herbivory. And in Perissodactyla, these are odd-toed ungulates with large sturdy bodies. Examples are horses, rhinos, etc. So the summary of classification is the mammals are categorized based on reproductive traits and ecological adaptations. And the subclasses under mammals are monotremes, who are egg-laying mammals, marsupials, who are pouched mammals, and placentals, these are the mammals with advanced embryonic development. And the orders under these subclasses, they highlight functional diversity and specialized adaptation. So the importance of mammalian classifications are they enhances understanding of evolutionary relationships. It provides insights into adaptations for survival across diverse ecosystems, and it informs conservation efforts by identifying vulnerable and endangered species. Now take a break and try to answer these questions. Which of the following is the primary characteristic that defines mammals? Are they cold-blooded, warm-blooded, laying eggs, or no vertebral column? The answer is warm-blooded. Which class of mammals include humans, whales, and elephants? Monotremes, marsupials, placental mammals, amphibians? Answer: placental mammals. So in conclusion, mammals demonstrate incredible diversity in form, behavior, and habitat. Understanding their classification highlights the evolutionary strategies that enable their success. Further studies are essential to protect mammalian biodiversity and ecosystems. These are some of the references. and web links. Thank you.